While you were asleep, the stock market, or at least the NASDAQ 100, rose up to 18,647 points and then dropped 200 points by 5:45 this morning. A lot of profit taking and nothing really to keep the investors in. So the QQQ was also down, but you won't see that on any chart here. That chart doesn't start moving until the market opens, which is 9:30 in the morning Eastern time, 6:30 Pacific time. The NASDAQ at the opening came in down 80 points. What's going to move the market next week? Normally, I'm sitting on the sidelines waiting, but now we've got major news coming this week. The PPI report comes out. It needs to stay down in the 2% range for inflation for the producer price index. That's going to be August 13th. After that, August 14th consumer report comes out for the consumer price index comes out. That needs to stay in the low threes. Anything that shows inflation risk or recession risk is going to tank that market. If it shows that we're not going into a recession, we're not going into inflation, probably the market's going to spike. Also on the 15th, we have the import-export price index as well as the jobless claims. And then I had it wrong. It's not unemployment. It's not today. Unemployment is next Friday on the 16th. So unemployment rate comes out on the 16th. Any sign of recession. Now unemployment is now going to be considered bad if it's high. So bad news is bad news now for the market. If it stays around 4%, it should be good. And if you have a jobless claims around 240 on Thursday, that should be pretty solid, and you won't see any major declines in the market. So that's what's coming up next week. So if these numbers are bad and it looks like a recession, watch for the market to tank. If it's good, then watch for the market to take advantage of it and get back investing, because it is on a little bit of a low. The NASDAQ is down around 10%.